What's going on, guys? We're gonna try some high stakes today. Let's start on 10 cent, There you have it. Let's get started. Let's start with $50 max bets. 6 chips, 3 of the gold. Suitcases or briefcases. Ooh, those guys. I'm at the peppermint. Peppermint. At the peppermill. And Reno. And it's my first time seeing this, even though I played it. Yeah. You're out, you guys?
We love you.
You guys are flying now?
Soon.
Nice, alright. Good seeing you guys. Here, you want to say hi?
We love Mr. Mike. He's the man, okay?
Bonsai!
Watch, like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
You too, Hong Kong Slots, guys. Check him out, he's cool. We're at the Peppermint together.
We love you
Peppermint.
guys.
I keep saying Peppermint.
Peppermill.
Peppermill. I'll see you guys. Have a safe flight. Thank you. Let's go. So very rare, guys. You don't see 50 line lightning links. Usually they're 25 line. Come on, one. Oh. So I played this once already, got nothing. I'm hoping that doesn't happen again. Ooh, there we go. Nice. Decent. Minis are 100. Mine are 500. Let's go. Nice. It's a mini party. Ooh, minor. Okay, $500 minor. We got a jackpot. Don't stop, baby. Nice. 200 more. Nice. 150 more. Nice. Can we get 2 more? Oh, come on. Nice. Guys, 1 more is 117,000. Come on. Give it to me, baby. 1 time. Oh. Hey, still a nice one. All right. 2150. Fast Bane. Good job. Let's go. Ooh, look at that. 1,000. Look at that. 2,000 just there. We did 2 more. Oh, they're showing. Those briefcases are showing too. Come on, buddy.
I gotta go to the spa.
Alright, a couple more here. Alright. Let's try some dollar dinam. Some 50s here. Minis 1,000. Minor 5,000. Wow, all those minis we had earlier. And the minor, imagine getting it here. That would be awesome. Come on, buddy. 3 more. No. Come on. Nice one, 580. Needed one more. Look at that. Certainly teasing. Ooh, 2,500 drop there. You know what, guys? How about a couple $100 spots? Alright, 244 there. Come on, baby. $100 spins. Give it to me here. I'll take the suitcases here. Come on. 50 lines on those suitcases? Ooh, that could be huge. Come on, baby. Ooh, no. Don't do that. Alright, these hundreds are not doing much. Come on. No, man. After that bonus, we got nothing. All right, guys. Straight 2,000 more. I'm gonna continue with a few more hundreds here. Come on. No. Look at that. Come on. Stop doing that. Look at the bonus already, baby. Come on. No. These hundreds ain't working, guys. Let's go back to 50s. There we go. Nice. Let's go. Chip in the middle, baby. All right. No, come on. Really? Nice. Ooh, that's a nice one. Come on, chip. All right. 1175. do we do? I think we go to 50 cent. Let's go. Let's try some 75s here. No, it doesn't change. All right, $75. Minis 500 here, mine are 2,500. Why? Alright, 50 cent is no good. How about 25 cent? What's this? I believe 62.50. Come on, two more. No, it's not 62.50. Is it? Yeah, it is. Come on. 3. Wow. No, guys, this thing went sour. No. Let's go back to 10 cent. Some 50s again. This thing is teasing me real bad. I'm not falling for it. I am going to end it soon. A few more spins. Actually, I did fall for it already. Put back a lot more. Alright, last spin here. Yep, definitely it. Alright guys, that's gonna do it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.